Exosomes in a facial treatment is finally here. The first of its kind, we give you the incredible benefits of exosomes in a luxurious treatment without the needles. You will be leaving our clinic with a prominent glow and confidence boost. You'll surely be coming back for more. Starting off with the Biomarine Deep Cleanser for deep cleansing and hydration. This contains seaweed extracts to moisturize the skin barrier and improve the skin elasticity. Next, we gently polish the skin using the soft purifying peeling gel. This contains papain enzyme, which is a natural and non-abrasive alternative to exfoliation. This leaves the skin more smooth and radiant. Then we proceed to prepping the skin with a Hydro Balancing Booster, which contains 9 types of hyaluronic acid to pack a powerful hydrating punch to the skin. Next is the star of the ExoGlow Facial, the double-action firming serum that has 2 parts. The first contains a powerful antioxidant, superoxide dismutase, and 10 billion exosomes, while the second has Botox peptides and growth factors for plumping and smoothing out wrinkles. Next is not your ordinary moisturizer to seal everything in. This is the Celestial Reversing Cream for skin plumping and lifting. This contains superoxide dismutase, tranexamic acid, and 5 types of ceramides for a healthy, glowing skin barrier. Finally, we end with sun protection. Radiant Sun Shield Sun Cream SPF 50 PA++++. This is a sunblock that does more than the usual UV protection. It has 8 types of hyaluronic acid to retain hydration of the skin. We top it all off with the Glow Expert BB Cream, a wrinkle-improving and whitening dual-functional cream that contains antioxidants and amino acids to even out your skin tone. With over 10 billion exosomes and superoxide dismutase, a potent antioxidant, as the powerhouse ingredients in every product, you will see your skin looking and feeling younger after every session.